Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of prepaid credit cards? They seem like a convenient way to manage your finances, but are they really the same as a traditional credit card? Let's dive into the world of Koho, a popular prepaid card option. Is it really just a prepaid card, or is there something more to it? Before we get into the specifics of Koho, let's quickly understand the difference between a prepaid credit card and a traditional credit card. A traditional credit card allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit. You can then pay it back in installments over time. On the other hand, a prepaid credit card works more like a debit card. You load it with money up front, and you can only spend what you've loaded. Koho, a prepaid card or more? Now, let's talk about Koho. At first glance, it might seem like a typical prepaid card. You load it with money, and you can use it to make purchases. However, there are some key differences that set Koho apart. Key differences. Cashback rewards. One of the standout features of Koho is its cashback rewards program. Unlike many prepaid cards that don't offer any rewards, Koho gives you cashback on your purchases. This can add up over time, providing you with some extra spending money. Financial tracking. Koho also offers a comprehensive financial tracking tool. This allows you to easily monitor your spending habits, set budgets, and track your progress towards financial goals. This is a feature that's often lacking in traditional prepaid cards. No credit check. One of the biggest advantages of Koho is that it doesn't require a credit check. This means that even if you have a bad credit history, you can still get a Koho card. This is a great option for people who are trying to rebuild their credit or who simply don't want to be subjected to a credit check. Is Koho right for you? Now that we know what Koho is and what it offers, let's discuss whether it's the right choice for you. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances, Koho can be a great option. Its cashback rewards and financial tracking tools can help you save money and reach your financial goals. Additionally, if you have a bad credit history, Koho can be a great way to get access to financial services without having to worry about a credit check. However, it's important to note that Koho does have some limitations. For example, it doesn't offer the same level of fraud protection as a traditional credit card. Additionally, if you're looking for a card that can help you build your credit score, Koho may not be the best choice. So, is Koho a prepaid credit card? While it shares some similarities with traditional prepaid cards, it also offers unique features that set it apart. Its cashback rewards, financial tracking tools, and no credit check requirement make it a compelling option for many people. Ultimately, whether Koho is right for you depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances, Koho is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.